Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And there are a number of rumors and leaks going about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 under display selfie camera image quality, and yet the biggest question is that how will the quality will look like. Now that we have a news from the reliable tipster which is Ice Universe, and they have given that what to expect from this, and also about the S Pen support for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 case. Now, Ice Universe has been revealed about the under-display AI algorithm will be used to give an improved images for the image quality, but however, it will not be a still par to the level of the conventional selfie cameras, and it is also believed that but it will be the best of the selfie cameras or for the in-display when compared to the other smartphones. And what's also notable is that the tipster has also clearly mentioned about the technology as it's still subpar with compared to our front-facing selfie camera standards. Now it's also quite possible after we experience how and hope that this will not come to an Galaxy S22 smartphone series will not adopt this because of the image quality. And however, I feel that the genuine comparison will be taken against the ZTE's Action 20. Now this is the only other smartphone to feature a UDC, but and it's you also know that the image quality of this smartphone is very much soft and also get the blurry snaps and if not taken and the no good light image qualities. Now the next thing which you all might be thinking about is the where the S Pen play will be kept inside the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now the official cases from the Samsung has been leaked and the S Pen will be kept in between the hinge and it will be in the separate cases as shown. Now as of now the Note 21 Ultra or the Note 21 series has been cancelled, so there will be no Note series this year, but an S Pen support to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is always a new welcome for the other display and the foldable displays. Now the first party cases have been leaked from the Samsung showing this design, and which we also saw on the S21 Ultra Pen case, because this time it will be in the middle and where it all be gone. Now if you think about the pre-booking offers for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3, then we also have a video on that. You can check that out in the card above or the link in the description below. And if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one.